Straight out of Brooklyn, here are 5 more quick tips for all of my concert photographers out there. Let's get right into it. First, shoot from different areas of the venue with multiple focal lengths. If you have more access than just the pit, you need to move around the entire venue. Yes, including stadiums. Changing your position will instantly set your shots apart. Capture photos from the balcony, side stage, on stage, and even behind the crowd to showcase a packed or sold out venue. Then repeat with another lens at a different focal length. I'll usually shift between my wide angle option and my telephoto lens. Next, always bring a second memory card. Concerts move fast, and memory cards fill up quicker than you expect, especially if you're letting the shutter rip during a drop. The last thing you want is missing an epic moment while frantically deleting images. Or worse, your one and only memory card randomly stops working in the middle of a show. Point is, be prepared. At this point, I always have 2 128GB memory cards in my camera at all times. Number 3, research your client beforehand. Speaking of being prepared, knowing an artist's stage presence, popular songs, most recent songs, or any brand gimmicks they have ahead of time can help you anticipate those key moments that you can't miss. Spend like 15 to 30 minutes watching their recent performances, or listening to their latest single or album to see what they're currently marketing. This extra effort substantially increases your chances of capturing standout photos and videos your client will genuinely love. On top of that, you'll know what to expect on stage because some artists are much more rowdy than others. Number 4, don't lowball yourself. I've discussed rates before on this channel, and I'm not gonna gatekeep in this video either. If you are established, have multiple clients under your belt, insured, portfolio, network, the whole thing, you shouldn't be charging less than $400 per artist. I said $350 in my official rates video, but that dropped in early 2023. And I don't know about you guys, but life has gotten more expensive since then. So it's time to increase rates accordingly. And finally, number 5, have some grit. Concert photography is tough. The logistics are brutal, and things are bound to go wrong at every single stage of the process. Embrace challenges, push through setbacks, and stay determined to make your client's job as easy as possible, all while delivering amazing content. After all, this is how they become recurring clients, which is incredibly valuable in this competitive space. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, guys. If you haven't seen part 2 of this series yet, make sure to check it out here. And if part 4 ever comes out, you'll find it here. Regardless of whichever video you choose, I'll see you there.